Hey, what's good? It's Avery Gonzalez here from Digital Harvest. In this video, I want to share with you some industry best practices when it comes to uploading your videos to YouTube and some of the things that you want to include in the descriptions, the title, the tags, that kind of stuff in order to make sure that your video gets more visibility in the search engines once you put it up online. Okay, so the first thing we're actually going to do is I'm going to start this from start to finish and actually upload the video, schedule it, put the thumbnail on here, all these different things right here in front of you. So let's just get into it right now. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the video. Okay, and we are going to put this prepared video right into the uploader here. So just drag and drop that in there. Okay, while this is uploading, we're going to make sure that all the titles, the descriptions, and the tags, etc., are exactly how we want them. So one of the things that I'm going to do first is I'm going to go over to this spreadsheet that I'm working on right now, where I'm pulling the actual titles and such that I've already prepared for this individual blog post or video, excuse me. So let's go back over here to YouTube. I'm going to delete this current title, put in the one that I want exactly how it is, and then in the description I've actually got some copy that I'm going to put here in the description. This is where it starts getting more interesting. Okay, so I got some copy that I've already created. I'm going to put that copy in here, and now we're going to actually get into some of the other things that we want to do with this individual post. So one of the first things we want to do is make sure that when we put this here on YouTube, we want to make sure that we actually have a link to our blog post or another video or whatever it is we want people to do. If we want them to visit our blog, this is a good place to actually put a link to our blog posts in the first few lines, right? So this is hiring for the wrong roles is one of the first mistakes any business owner can make. In this video, I described the first two roles that every business owner should hire for, depending on the type of business owner that they are. So what I'm going to do in here actually is I'm going to put check out the full blog post here. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I already know, based off of my company's internal processes, that I'm going to post this to digitalharvest.io / who should be the first person you hire. Okay, so the reason I'm doing this also is because when the blog post goes live, I want to make sure that I'm sending some of the authority from this video back to my blog post. I want also people to click over there and check that out as well. And we scroll down to the bottom over here. Okay, and then there's something special that I put at the bottom of every single one of my videos. And by the way, if you do some keyword research, if you want to really take this to the next level, we have other videos and stuff on that. You can just check around the channel, but there's a lot of things that you can do to optimize this description here by adding more keywords and such. We're not going to focus on that too much here in this video. I just want to make sure that we check all the boxes on the things that you want to be included in your video descriptions and such. So I already prepared from one of my previous videos that's on the channel for this series I'm doing the copy and paste piece that I put in all of the videos. So I'm going to take you through each one of these things here in just a second, but I'm going to take this from my notepad, I'm going to copy it in. So there's a couple things I want to point out here. So first thing is this. And this is sort of like a checkbox. You want to include all these things and even some other things as well in order to maximize the effectiveness of this video, its ability to generate traffic for other videos on your channel, its ability to increase the authority of your overall YouTube channel so that you get more search value out of everything that you post. I'm just going to take you through these things one at a time. So I already put the blog link at the top. What I have here is a call to action to watch more of the small business tips series. Okay, so this actually points back to the playlist that's already on the channel, right? So really quickly here, I'm going to go over here to the side. I'm going to add this to the small business tips series playlist. Make sure that that goes on there when this goes live. The other thing that I have here as well is to go back and watch the previous episode and then watch the next episode, right? So this is an example that I pulled from episode number 2. So this is episode number 6. So I'm going to say watch episode 5. I'll come back and I will get the actual name of this video in just a second. And then watch episode 7. And actually, in this case, we're not going to have the link for that yet. We'll have to come back when episode 7 goes live and put that information in here later. So we'll leave that blank. And then also a direct link, visit us online, to go to the main website. And so you got this, you got to think about this from Google's perspective and the user experience. People want to watch the previous video, they want to watch the video afterwards, they want to have that good user experience. And then they also we also want to tell Google that these videos are related, so that's why we're linking them, interlinking them together. Alright, so then we tell them to visit the website online, and then we also tell them to follow us on social media. So we put all of our most relevant social media links here in the description, so that way, again, all these different profiles get some link love, and also Google can help correlate, understand which profiles are related to each other, and understand that these are all related, it's all the same company. Last piece here you'll see at the bottom is this link to just a YouTube video. Well, we want to actually take this link from the top left. It says your video will be live at. We want to take that link, put it down here, and we actually want to link back to the video itself. And the reason that we do this is because there's a lot of what's called scrapers and bots out there that'll actually take your YouTube videos, they'll scrape the description, they'll pull all that information, and they'll repost it on their own blog. So you might as well make sure that they're linking back to your videos, okay, automatically by putting a link back to your own video here, okay? Just a little quick tip that maybe you haven't heard of before. When it comes to tags, again, if you've done some really intense keyword research, this is where you'd want to put all of your exact keywords in here in the tags. But for this example, and what I do for my company is I want to make sure that my company is in the tags, Digital Harvest, comma. I want to make sure that since I'm in the video, Avram Gonzalez, I want to make sure that I'm in there as well. I also want to make sure that this is the Small Business Tips series. I'm going to put Small Business Tips. I'm going to put Entrepreneurship. Anything that's really related to the video itself. I'm going to put hiring. I'm going to put hiring new employees. Hiring your first employee. Okay, I'm going to put local business as well. Okay, these are the things that you don't have to really overthink these too much, but you want to pull out of here the things that people might actually thematically be looking for when it comes to your video. So all these tags I've put in there are directly related to this video in some way, shape, or form. Okay, so then that piece is done here. And then what we're also going to want to do is work on the custom thumbnail. So we've actually prepared a custom thumbnail for this video. I'm going to pull that up right here. And let's see, where is that? It's probably down. Yes, it's in here. Episode number 6. Here's the thumbnail. Going to upload that right here. And then that should be set when it's done. There it goes. Okay, so that's perfect. Now, the video is still processing. It's going to go live at a certain point. I don't want to actually publish this right away, so it should give me an option to schedule this. Where is that? Yeah, so down here under public. Instead of going public right away, I want to do scheduled. Okay, and I want to schedule this actually today at 5 p.m. my time. So let's click today. Let's click 5 p.m. my time. Okay, and then it says publish on May, blah, blah, blah. Translations, we're not doing that for this. Advanced settings, we want to go through here and also finish this part up. So we want to allow comments. We want to allow people to do ratings. We also want to, let's see, allow it to embed, publish to the news feed. Category, we want to set the category. It's already set to entertainment. This is more like a how-to video. Select video language, English. Okay, we also want to do the recording date. We'll say that that is today. Okay, or the day that we want to actually publish it. And then we want to make the video statistics public. It doesn't really matter, but I don't see any reason why we wouldn't do that for this purpose. And then now that all this is done, we click publish. Okay, so that's the first piece of this. I will record another video once this goes live because there are some things that we can actually add to this video, such as video end cards. Also, like I mentioned, I want to get some of the links from the previous and future videos to add back in here once they go live. And so I'll do another video here about that kind of stuff, but you get the basic idea here. The more links that you can include to relevant things that the viewer might be looking for in that description. That's a huge piece. You also may, if you have it, want to go back in here and add the transcription to your description. I didn't actually put that here inside this video, but that's something else that you can do to beef up the descriptions of your video. Just do everything that I did, but then also add a section that says, hey, here's the exact transcription from the video, and that should be good. So that's just some basic stuff. Follow this. Your videos are going to get a lot more lift if you follow these simple steps. And of course, make sure you subscribe to our channel to catch more videos like this and some of the other things that we produce on a daily and weekly basis that will help you grow your business no matter what it is. If you're operating in a local area and you're just looking for those things to help you get that edge, follow us. We'll create some great content for you in order to help your business grow online. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.